Why that cheap HVAC quote might cost you later. Hi, I'm Doug. Ever looked at two HVAC quotes and wondered, why is one so much cheaper? You're not the only one. Here are 3 reasons why HVAC quotes can be confusing. Number 1, some brands offer stronger warranties, but not every quote is a high quality product. One company might quote an entry-level furnace and air conditioner, while the others offer more durable, well-known brands. And number 3, some quotes cover extras like permits and cleanup. Others leave those out. So when the price seems miles apart, it's usually because what's included isn't the same. I help homeowners figure out what they're really getting and what they aren't. If you want to feel confident before you choose, follow me.